It's the Mobile Home Mama. Wanted to start with an outside view today. We've got a 16 by 66 home here, and I wanted to show you one of the dormers that we put on the single wide. We've got a peak at the top with some shake siding around that's available in 3 different colors. Now let's go check out the end. Here's another design that you see on the end of the home. If you look at the lot here, you can see most of the time customers just leave the ends just kind of plain Jane with the vinyl. Here, this customer has decided to up their game a little bit, added some shake siding to match the front with the dormer there. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, nice wide open floor plan here, walking into the living area. Kitchen's right there in front of us. We've got a couple stem lights hanging, and check out what they did. We've got mixed cabinet colors, so brown on the island, white over here, and also switched up the island countertop. So we've got a quartz white here with the desert springs over there. Subway tile backsplash. We did a stagger cabinet where it kind of goes like that. Got a pantry over here on the side. Coming in from the back door is the laundry area, utility room. And I'm just going to turn around so you can see just how wide open this floor plan is. Again, storage on the other side of the island, got a dishwasher tucked away. And here is actually a little dining space, so plenty of room for a table there. Coming into the master bedroom, I'm gonna stand over here in the corner. Nice big 46 by 61 window. Big walk-in master closet. And I can do double racks there if you want me to. Master bath. And here's an interesting option that this customer added, a rounded shower curtain rod. We do shower curtain rods, we do them in straight or rounded, whatever you guys want to do. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. Just a short hallway here. Here's bedroom 2. Second bath. They continued with that rounded shower curtain. Single vanity, 3 bulb light strip above. And then here's bedroom 3. This is kind of a long bedroom here. This is a 16 by 66, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're really vamping up this Aspire series, and I'm loving every minute of it. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama.